this, you might ask yourself, is going on here? Well, Joan Francis Tisnèr certainly has the market cornered in that niche genre of culinary music. He argues that music and food are inseparable in his native Gaston region of France. For this performance, Joan Francis produced a book of imaginary recipes, form an orderly queue, and he says his songs are put together in a way similar to making a meal.
When you cook, you take carrots, tomatoes, carrots from Afghanistan, tomatoes from America, South America, but you make a meal from your country, typical meal from your country, but with all the world. It's very important.
In a previous life, Joan Francis was a protest singer, and although he swerved somewhat from that original brief, he still sings about topical issues.
People can see a cook walking and can see musicians walking. It's a big work, and it's a mix of cooking, music, smell, and relation with people.
E l'astra ti portava, c'è sempre qua serio che ero bell'amo. Ho potuto venire a parare io non sé, ho potuto venire a parare io non sé.